Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. I am Swaminathan. I am going to take class on estimation and quantity subject. So in that part, I am going to take how to calculate the quantity of materials in 4.5-inch brick wall. Now I am going to share the screen. How to calculate the quantity of materials in 4.5-inch brick wall. So first of all, we need to know the materials. What are the materials involved in a brick wall? So if it is a brick wall, then we are going to use only bricks. Then cement mortar. Cement mortar, we need cement and sand for that, and water will be required to manufacture the cement mortar. Okay. First of all, I am going to take brick wall. Brick wall dimension may be taken as 6 meter length, and the height is 2.1 meter, and wall thickness, that is 4.5 inch, it is taken as 0.11 meter. For this conversation, I am using a meter. First of all, we want to know the standard dimension of the brick. So brick dimension is taken as length is 190 mm, then width is 90 mm, and height is 90 mm. So for easy calculation, I am converting it into meter, 0.19 meter into 0.09 into 0.09 meter. Okay, I'm using joint. The material for joint is cement mortar. So cement mortar, I am using a 10 mm thickness, 10 mm or 1 centimeter thickness. So I am going to add 10 mm into length, width, and height. So it is taken as 200 mm and 100 mm and 100 mm. So that is 0.20 meter into 0.1 meter into 0.1 meter. Now we want to know the volume of brickwork. So for that purpose, I'm already take the material, okay, brick wall. So here I'm going to multiply these three, okay, that is length into breadth into height. It is taken as the volume of brickwork. So 6 meter into 2.1 meter into 0.11 meter, that is equal to 1.386 meter cube. Here it is a 3 dimension, so I am using a meter cube. So first of all, we want to know the number of bricks in a brickwork. So number of bricks including the cement mortar, I am taking the thickness of mortar, that is equal to volume of brickwork divided by size of brick with thickness. So volume of brickwork we have calculated earlier. Then size of brickness is taken with thickness, that is 0.2 meter into 0.1 into 0.1. So volume of brickwork is 1.386 meter cube divided by 0.2 into 0.1 into 0.1. After dividing these two, you will get 693 numbers. So it is in the unit is number because bricks. So I'm taking 700 numbers. So we want to for wastage, you may use that 7 number. So 700 numbers will be taken. The next thing, first we calculated bricks. Then we need to calculate the cement and sand. For that cement and sand, we want to know the cement mortar. So quantity of cement mortar is equal to volume of brickwork minus actual volume of bricks. So there are three materials. First thing is brickwork, and volume of brickwork and actual volume of bricks. So we need to subtract these two. You will get the cement mortar volume, that is quantity of cement mortar. So actual volume of bricks, actual volume, it may be the standard size into the total numbers we have we have calculated earlier. So 0.19 into 0.09 into 0.09 into 700 numbers we got. So that is equal to 1.077 meter cube. So this is the actual volume of bricks. So we need to subtract from volume of brickwork. You will get the cement mortar quantity. Quantity of cement mortar is equal to 1.386 is the volume of work, brick wall. Okay, minus 1.077, it is the volume of bricks alone. Then you will get cement mortar quantity, that is equal to 0.309 meter cube. Now we assume that 1.1:3 is the ratio for cement mortar. So sometimes if you want to use 1:4 or 1:3, now I am using 1:3 cement mortar. The quantity is cement mortar quantity is 0.309 meter cube. So first of all, I want to know the cement and sand here. So quantity of cement is equal to 1/3 into 0.309. So when you are comparing these two, 1:3. So 1/3, 1 is the proportion of cement, then 3 is the sand. Okay. So for sand ratio, the total value will be calculated 1/3 into 0.309, that is equal to 0.103 meter cube. Okay, that is equal to 0.103. The total value is 0.103. Now we need to convert into kg. So cement will be taken in bags. So one bag is equal to 50 kg. Similarly, the density of cement is equal to, or unit weight of cement is equal to 1440 kg per meter cube. So I'm going to multiply 1440 into 0.103. So I will get 148.3 kg. Now I am going to take an as 150. Okay, 150 means you can easily convert it to 3 number of bags. So we required 3 number of bags. So one bag is equal to 50 kg. So that 150 divided by 50, you will get 3 bags. Then quantity of sand. So here the similar way, ratio of sand to sand is equal to 3/3 into 0.309. So here you are going to use 0.309 meter cube as same. Now we calculated bricks, cement and sand. Then the result is taken as number of bricks is equal to 700 numbers. 700 numbers required for that whole volume of bricks, brickwork. Cement is equal to 3 bags. See, 3 bags of cement is required. Sand is equal to 0.103 meter cube. If you want to use in cubic feet, then multiply into 3.35.28 or 3.28 the whole cube. So the value will be 3.63 cubic feet. Okay, thank you. Thank you for listening my class.